How to import audio files into CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the audio sync in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the source bar and type CapCut. Now once you're done, simply tap on the source icon. Now tap on CapCut and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up your CapCut application. Now tap on New Project. Go to Edit at the bottom left corner. Now tap on New Project. Now select a video or photo and click on Add. Now tap on Add Audio. Now select Sounds at the bottom menu. Now tap on the File Manager icon. Now tap on Device. Now select the audio file you want to import. Simply tap on the plus icon next to audio. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.